In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another list on Trello, the popular project management software. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to expand your boards with additional lists, you're in the right place. Trello is all about visualizing your tasks in a clear and manageable way, and adding another list is a simple yet effective way to do just that. First, you'll want to go to Trello's website, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by Trello's homepage, which is your gateway to a world of organized boards and projects. If you're not already logged into your account, you should see the Login button. Click on it, and let's move on to the next step. When you click Login, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can log in using your email address, or for added convenience, you can use your Google account. Whichever method you prefer, just make sure you remember your account details to get access to your Trello boards. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your boards. Look for the option labeled Boards on the main interface. Clicking this will give you a full overview of all the boards you're part of, allowing you to choose which board you'll be adding the list to. Next, locate the section called Your Workspaces. This feature is particularly useful if you're part of multiple teams or projects, as it categorizes your boards into different sections. Simply click on the workspace where the board is located. Once you've located your preferred workspace, you need to select the board you want to modify. Click on it and this will take you into the board where all your lists and cards are housed. Now you're almost there. It's time to add another list to your board. On the board interface, usually to the far right side, you'll find the option that says Add Another List. This is where all the action happens in terms of expanding your board's functionality. Go ahead and click Add Another List. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new list. It's a chance to organize your tasks, so choose a name that clearly represents what this list is for. After naming your list, the final step is straightforward. Click on the Add List button, and voila! Your new list is now part of your Trello board, ready to hold all your tasks and cards. You've successfully added a list, enhancing the way you organize your projects and tasks within Trello. And that's it, you're now set to better visualize and manage your projects with this simple addition. Thanks for tuning in and stay organized.